Hi everyone, my name is Flannan. Today I will be presenting one disease on coconut, which is bud rot disease. This disease is serious because it attacks the crown or growing point of the coconut palm, and if not treated early, it can cause the whole tree to die. For the causal pathogen, bud rot in coconut is mainly caused by Phytophthora palmivora, which is an omicide, also known as a fungus like pathogen. This pathogen becomes more active in wet and humid conditions, especially during rainy seasons. It spreads through water, splash, contaminated tools, and infected plant parts, and it usually infects the coconut palm at the bud or crown area. Next, the symptoms. At early stages, we can see yellowing and wilting of young leaves, and the spear leaf become soft or weak. One important symptom of bud rot is that the spear leaf can sometimes be pulled out easily because the tissue inside the crown are already rotting. As the disease becomes severe, the crown develops soft wet rot and it may produce a foul smell due to tissue breakdown. In serious cases, the entire crown collapses and the coconut tree may eventually die. For the sign of the pathogen, it is not always obvious in the field. However, infected parts often appear water-soaked and soft, especially around the crown. In very humid conditions, we may also see white fungal-like growth on the rotting tissue. These signs can support the diagnosis, but lab confirmation is usually more accurate. Now, the effect on plant functions. Bud rot is dangerous because it attacks on meristem, which is the growing point of the coconut palm. Once meristem is damaged, the palm cannot produce new leaves. This causes reduced leaf production, and because leaves are needed for photosynthesis becomes lower. When photosynthesis decreases, the plant produces less energy, leading to weak growth and reduced yield. If the damage is severe, the coconut palm cannot recover and may die because it cannot regenerate the crown. For disease control, bud rot should be managed using integrated disease management, which means combining different control methods. First, cultural control such as improving field drainage is important to reduce excess moisture, because the pathogen spreads easily in wet conditions. Second, sanitation should be practiced by removing and destroying infected tissue and cleaning tools to prevent spreading the pathogen. Third, chemical control can be done using fungicides that are effective against Phytophthora such as copper-based fungicides, and it works best when applied early. To conclude, bud rot disease in coconut is caused by Phytophthora palmivora. It mainly attacks the crown and growing point, causes leaf wilting and crown rotting, reduces photosynthesis and yield, and can eventually kill the coconut palm. So, the best way to manage this disease is early detection, good sanitation, proper drainage, and suitable fungicide application. Thank you for watching.